The Centers for Disease Control making some major changes when it comes to masking guidance. The CDC director saying this afternoon that for most people, overall risk of getting a severe case of COVID is now lower. The focus shifting to protecting people who are high risk and keeping hospitals from getting overwhelmed. The new guidance coming as most states have already dropped mask mandates. WCNC Charlotte's Chloe Leshner live from uptown Charlotte right now. Chloe, Mecklenburg County is set to drop its indoor mask mandate tomorrow. So what does all this new guidance mean for us here?
Well, according to the CDC, Mecklenburg County falls in the medium level, which means you may want to consider wearing a mask indoors, especially if you are high risk. So that more or less falls in line with dropping the mask mandate tomorrow. The CDC director said they really just want to give people a break from masks while viral levels are low, but we are not getting rid of masks altogether. The CDC making a major change to indoor masking guidelines.
We'll see in the new guidance kind of a sense of where we are, a better sense of where we are and where we'll be in the next couple of months.
They're shifting the metrics they'll use to determine the community risk, looking at new COVID hospitalizations, the number of beds occupied by COVID patients, and new COVID cases to determine if a county is in the low, medium, or high category.
It's a really practical problem and challenge for our communities when hospitals become so full of COVID patients, very sick people, that they can't keep up with the demands of normal community life.
More than half of the counties in the country are in the low or medium level right now. The CDC says people living in low counties don't have to mask indoors. People in medium counties should consider a mask, especially if they're high risk. And people living in counties that are considered high should wear a mask indoors. The CDC recommends universal masking in schools in high communities.
Should there be future surges or future variants where disease is really spreading quickly and our hospitals are beginning to fill up, I think there will always be an important role for masks.
So according to these new guidelines, none of our surrounding counties are considered low. And actually, Gaston, Catawba, and Rowan counties are all considered high. So according to the CDC, people there should wear masks indoors and schools there should have universal masking. Live in Uptown, Chloe Leshner, WCNC Charlotte.
Chloe, thanks so much. And remember, we will continue to follow each and every COVID-related story like this one, and we'll post updates to our website. You can also text the word coronavirus to 704-329-3600. A quick link will be sent straight to your phone.